leader of Porbandar. He was the greatest freedom fighter. He is also called father of the nation or Rashtrapita. He always wore a simple dhoti made from khadi. He believed in simple living and high thinking. He started non-cooperation and non-violence movement to gain freedom from British rule. Under his able guidance, India became free on 15.
Today I would like to give a speech on Lal Bahadur Shastri's birthday. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He was born on 2nd October 1904 in Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. He faced many financial difficulties during his childhood. He graduated from Kashi Vidyapith in Varanasi. Shastriji was a bachelor's degree graduate in Shastriji joined the freedom struggle when he was 16 years old. He was impressed by Gandhiji's thought, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement and Gandhi march. He also spent 7 years in British jail. After India got independence in 1947, he joined the government of Jawaharlal Nehru. He held several important posts including Ministry of Railways and Transport and Ministry of Home Affairs. In 1964, Nehru passed away and Shastriji was elected as.
I am Prerna Prajapat. I study in class 11 science. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we gather to celebrate a day of great signifying 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, fondly known as the leader of our nation. This day also holds global importance as the International Day of Violence. Gandhiji's enduring message of peace, truth and non-violence. Thank you. He was born on October 2nd, 1904 in Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh, India. He was a prominent freedom fighter and was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi. He participated in several movements during freedom struggle, including the Salt Satyagraha. After independence, he held several important positions in the government, including Home Minister. As Prime Minister, he led India to victory in the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War. He was known for his simple lifestyle and his commitment to public service. He gave the famous slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan during the 1965 war. He died on January 11, 1966 in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, shortly after signing the Tashkent. Respected principal ma'am, my dear students, all of you are welcome in today's program. I am Bhagyashree. Thank all of you present here. I am very fortunate that today I have got the opportunity to give a speech on the life of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Shastri ji was born on 2 October 1904. He became the second Prime Minister of India after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru belonged with he was also one of the senior leaders of Congress party. So let us all together pray the peace of a great soul like Shastri ji and wish that his idol and translate to the future leader of our country so that country can move forward on the path of repeat.
My name is Himanshu from class 11 science. Today I want to talk about Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. He was the second Prime Minister of India. He was born on October 2nd, 1904 in Mughalsarai. Shastri was a great leader known for his simple lifestyle and strong value. During his time as Prime Minister, he led India in the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. His famous slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, highlighted his respect for both soldiers and farmers. Shastri promoted peace and worked hard for the country's development. He passed away on January 11, 1966, but his legacy of integrity and dedication continues to inspire us. Thank you.